Hi, this is Ritika and this is my sister and we are going on her birthday trip. I like her birthday more than mine because in her birthday we travel and we are going to Prague and then we'll cover 2 more countries. So this vlog will be about Prague and now we have done the immigration. We're going to duty free and I think I'll probably see you guys straight in Prague. We landed in Prague finally after kitne hours, like 14-15. Yes, we finally made it. We booked this cab क्योंकि सामान इतना था. Our hotel was right in the middle of Old Town, which is the best place to stay. So everything was at a walking distance from our place. But it was self check-in and we did not get the code from our agent. So we stood there and we talked to the owners of the place and it took us half an hour. And then we finally got the code and we went inside. We have just come down to get a multi-plug wala charger because they have a different power point and we're getting that one little plug for like 1,000 rupees. So we're just yeah, we had it at और अब हम ढूंढ रहे हैं कि कहाँ से वो plug खरीदें. But these streets are so pretty. We were just walking and we reached the astronomical clock. Taking a nap and this is me इतने कपड़ों में and that is her in half sleeves. I'm wearing a jacket underneath and इसके नीचे I'm wearing a full sleeves night suit.
It is not cold. It is really hot. The
It
weather
is
is so good.
cold. It is quite cold. जब भी when we were walking in the sun then it was warm but उसके अलावा जब shadow आ रही थी buildings की and all it was cold and right now it is cold. At least for me.
Just for you.
Hi guys, good morning. We just slept pura time. Kal we came back from the market, then we slept, we woke up, we had some theplas and then we slept again. So yeah, now we woke up. I'm just fumbling. We woke up at 6 a.m. today, 6:30 and it is 8 right now and this is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing this jacket because it is cold outside. I just kept very patla shrug but I really need this jacket so I took it from my sister. And now we're ready to go. It has rained and बहुत ठंड लग रही है हमें. So we went upstairs, got our umbrella and I also got this scarf. Oh God, it is very very cold here. It is really cold और ये जो जैकेट है ये मैं अपने लिए लाई थी पहनने के लिए क्योंकि मुझे लगा इतना इनफ है और मेरे लिए होता. बट कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा ठंड लगती है तो उन्होंने ले ली और मेरे को जमने के लिए छोड़ दिया है. लिटरली दिस इज नथिंग. तो अगर मैं अपने बर्थडे पे बीमार हुई यू नो होम टू ब्लेम. एक्सक्यूज मी.
The weather. It's the weather. It's raining.
Yeah, so give me the covers then. Okay, bye. We have walked till the bridge and काफ़ी close था हमारे वहाँ से. We are here so early इसलिए हमारी इतनी अच्छी फोटोज आ रही हैं. And now it's my turn to remove everything. Guys, Prague is not a morning city. यहाँ पे 9 के भी 9:30 हो गए, कुछ नहीं खुला है. Literally 9 बजे ना कोई रेस्टोरेंट खुला है ना कोई एक्सचेंज शॉप खुली है, ग्रोसरी बंद है, ये स्टोर्स सब बंद है. So we got 2 chicken sandwiches and we found a coffee kind of a breakfast place. Taste test. It's fine. थोड़ा फीका है. तो इतनी चढ़ाई है हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हजम भी हो गया है. This is the Prague castle and look at the view. Wow. Okay, so this is the cathedral and हमने कोई टिकट अभी तक नहीं ली है. There is an entry ticket to this church but हम लोग नहीं जा रहे. We are just exploring because we have seen pictures वगैरह तो हमें ऐसा कुछ इतना interesting नहीं लगा जाने के लिए. So we're not getting that. This is another church. Obviously. तब से हम ये ढोल वालों को देख रहे हैं लिटरली 4 बार अंदर हम इनसे टकराए हैं पर ये लोग कुछ बजा ही नहीं रहे इतना शांत से चले ही जा रहे हैं ढोल वाले इनका पर्पस थोड़ा समझ में नहीं आ रहा मेरा बर्थडे के लिए अभी गीत पेश करेंगे आप क्या बर्थडे के लिए गीत पेश करेंगे वो बर्थडे इज टुनाइट लाइक रात 12 बजे से ओ वहाँ पे तो आपको बर्थडे होता होगा जल्दी वहाँ पे 8:30 स्टार्ट हो जाएगा इनका बर्थडे इंडिया के हिसाब से हम तो ट्रिप जब से स्टार्ट हुई है तब से हमने तो स्टार्ट कर दी है Now we walk 20 minutes and we've reached the Wallstein Garden. Wow. This is all part of the garden and it is so pretty. By the way, I found out this place. मैंने itinerary बनाई है so like kudos to me because I'm the type B friend. I don't do any of the planning or anything. I just like follow her lead always. So this is so nice and by the way there was no entry ticket for this place. Free, absolutely free. And it's so pretty. We rested 1 घंटा and now we're ready to go again and in shows this time. Chalo, let's go have lunch. It's 1:30 here and then we'll go to the mall. Clock is ringing because it's too late. So this is the chicken steak and the burger. So we took a cab and we have reached the mall and अब हम start करते हैं shopping. I'm shoe shopping and I'm confused like this or this. मैं कब से बैठ के सोच रही हूँ मैंने आपको WhatsApp किए हैं 2 शूज कौन सा अच्छा है मम्मी ने प्लेन वाला बोला है और मैं स्ट्राइप खरीद चुकी हूँ और मैं कब से कंफ्यूज्ड हूँ खरीद चुकी है मम्मी वो बस आपसे पूछ I was back in the hotel and I got these shoes मैंने चेंज नहीं करा I was thinking till the last moment if I should get them exchange but I didn't and हम लोग इतनी दूर तक मॉल तक गए just to buy these shoes और कुछ खास मिला ही नहीं हमें so that was not a good thing to do anyway we're back now we're gonna rest for some time and then we'll go out for dinner it is her birthday tonight like after 12 so we have to go somewhere nice for her birthday so that is the plan we ordered the cake online because we don't know यहाँ पे कहाँ bakeries है and we did not want last minute goof up so the cake is here I just came down to get it so we rested and now we're ready to go it is her birthday eve birthday starts in like 1.5 hour and Indian time के हिसाब से तो start हो गया है and this is what the birthday girl is wearing can you show us Yay! Ready? Can we go? This is our cake. We have come to the dinner spot. It's on the lake. Hi, birthday girl. This is our view. I saw the cake और ये देखो एकदम इतना बड़ा चाकू और उबलते हुए पानी में. Do you see the धुआं coming? Now we're walking back. Okay guys, we are ready to go for breakfast. It is 9:30 right now and मैं 1 घंटे से literally अपनी बहन को irritate कर रही हूँ that please get up, let's go for breakfast because I have to eat the moment I wake up. तो अभी बहुत देर हो चुकी है and she was like it's my birthday so I want to look good so and I want to get dressed up so I can't go ऐसे. But then I gave her an outfit of mine कि जल्दी wear it and let's go for breakfast. So yeah, now we're gonna go and eat something. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day. So breakfast was so good कि मैं vlog ही करना भूल गई and this place is so nice. यहाँ we are sitting outside and literally यहाँ पे कंबल रखे हुए हैं at every chair so we don't feel cold and the food is so good like so good. We rested room में थोड़ी देर and now we are going to New Town and it is so cold today. Very cold. अभी I am feeling really cold. This is our view. चलते चलते चलो let's go. So we have reached the New Town. actually the Dancing House Hotel. Come to the terrace and the chandelier is also like tilted. I'm getting another pair of shoes. So after going to that head place, we're just roaming around the street and हमें एक footwear shop मिली where I like the shoes. So
I saw New Balance.
she saw New Balance, इसलिए we entered. But I ended up liking the Puma shoes. I'm getting those. We just went to the money exchange to get the money because we did not have enough. And now we're gonna get my shoes. Quickly got ready for lunch actually, and it's 4. And we have our reservation, so we need to hurry. And it's really cold. It's raining and I'm wearing this dress like a mini skirt and मुझे लोग देख रहे हैं कि इतनी ठंड में ये ऐसे घूम रही है. It's so cold and हमारी reservation is at a terrace, so I don't know how we'll sit. It's so cold. This was our view. Really pretty. अभी हल्की सी बारिश रुकी, so we were able to get pictures. This is my outfit, by the way. Guys, हम लोग वापस आ गए थे एंड हल्की सी धूप आई एंड ये पागल ही हो गई हैं और अब मम्मी को फोन करके बता रही है कि धूप आ गई. लिटरली यहाँ खड़ी होकर तालियां बजा रही थी. Now she wants to go out और मैं लिटरली अभी लेटी हूँ सारा सामान समेट के पूरा लगेज पैक करके जो मैंने इतना ज़्यादा फैलाया हुआ था. एंड जस्ट मैं लेटी हूँ. नाउ शी वांट्स टू गो आउट क्योंकि धूप आ गई. We have come out for dinner. It's still her birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Hermanji. Happy birthday to you.
We got this for her जन्मदिन. We charged us for the moons literally 500 रुपए चार्ज कर दिया और हम लोग खाते भी नहीं है. हमने उनको बोला पैक करने को because we do not eat. 2-3 बाइट ही हमने खाया but we had to pay for the whole thing. So yeah, ये बेकार हो गया ये सीन थोड़ा. So we have come back to the hotel, changed कर लिया, I've done my skincare and tomorrow we have our bus to Vienna. ट्रेन भी जाती है यहाँ से बट उसका टाइमिंग हमें सूट नहीं किया, सो वी बुक्ड अ बस. सो I'll go to Vienna tomorrow and I think I'll end this vlog over here, and now I'll see you guys in the Vienna vlog, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.